Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that what are the top 5 animations in PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So the first one in our list is the entrance animation. So if you go into this animation tab here, and I will basically just enter this 5 number here. So these are our entrance animation, which appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, okay, shape. So these are our entrance animation. Okay, so if I wanted to apply let's suppose float in animation, here you can see that you will see this kind of animation when slides loads up. Okay, and then secondly we have this emphasize animations. Basically if you want to emphasize something in your slide, you can use this animation. So select this 5 here, basically go to this add animation, and then we have emphasize animations. Okay, so let's suppose you want to add a pulse, just click on it, and here you can see that basically when the slide will load up, it will basically bounce. Okay, which means that this is the important element of this slide. And then on the next we have this exit animations. So click on this one, disappear, and it will disappear. And then we have this path animations as well. Okay, basically if you want to move your object in a path, you can use this one. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to move this in a line, here you can see that I can move this in a line as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video.